Hi, my name is Todd Schimler, President of Canberra Corporation, the parent company to JAWS International. We are honored to receive this year's EPA Safer Choice Partner of the Year Award. While pleased with the award, we're most proud of the fact that this is our second award in as many years. A back-to-back award means a great deal to our team and recognizes that we're doing the right things. At Canberra Corporation and JAWS International, we go to work every day serving two key global market segments with our broad range of cleaning chemistry: the away-from-home commercial market and the at-home consumer market. In serving these markets, we're committed to bringing EPA Safer Choice certified products to help our customers all over the world meet their cleaning needs on a daily basis. Certifications tied to our products are very important to our value proposition and help us differentiate our products versus others in the markets we serve. EPA Safer Choice's thorough review process and certification of our chemistry validates our work and ensures our customers are using the safest and most effective products throughout their facilities and homes. Our green chemistry journey started over 20 years ago, and we have enlisted the guidance of several third-party entities to review and monitor our work through that time. Based on our experience, EPA Safer Choice's entry into this space has taken third-party certifications for our organization and our industry to another level. In partnership with EPA Safer Choice, we currently feature over 20 formulas in our product line that meets their one-of-a-kind certification standards. We recently introduced the away-from-home market's first onboard dilution mopping system, designed to seamlessly complement our cartridge-based JAWS spray products. The new mopping system features our patented cartridge to meet our customers' broad range of floor cleaning tasks. When we do the right thing, we believe this means more than just safe chemistry. Child-resistant packaging, the reduction of plastics in our landfills, and the numerous benefits of not shipping water wherever and whenever possible. As we continue our safe and sustainable chemistry journey, we proudly display the EPA Safer Choice logo on all of our products, throughout our social media platforms, and on our collateral and promotional materials we provide our customers. Together with EPA Safer Choice, Canberra Corporation and JAWS International remain committed to continuing our mission to deliver sustainable and effective cleaning chemistry that is safer for our customers and our environment. So on behalf of our CEO and Chairman, Bruce Yacko, and our entire organization, I would like to thank EPA Safer Choice for this recognition. We thank you for the wonderful work that you do, and we look forward to continuing our relationship for many years to come.